Chance states when a fair coin is tossed and a fair dice is thrown, the probability of getting a head and an even number is 1/2. So you've got two different objects here. You've got a coin. If you think about a coin, you could either get a head on it or you could get a tail on it, couldn't you? There's two sides to a coin, head on one side, tail on the other. With a dice, of course, the normal dice, there's 6 faces to it, so you've got 6 possible numbers. Now, in order to sort of determine this, what we need to do is a probability space. Okay, quite simple to do. Just to list all the possible outcomes, and you might be surprised, that there are quite a few outcomes when you do probability space. You sort of see that, okay, but it really is a good way of determining how many outcomes. Now, with regards to dice, okay, let's think about going dice along here maybe. Well, there's 6 possible numbers. Okay, so we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got 2, 6 there. With a coin, you could either get a head or a tail, yeah? So all you've got to do then is fill in each of these sort of entries here. And what you do then is you look to the left, you can see there's a head on the coin, 1 on the dice. So that will be H1. So that's one possible outcome, isn't it? Head on the coin, 1 on the dice. If I go here, you'd have head on the coin, 2 on the dice. So you just literally look across. So here now, I look across, I could get head on the coin, 3 on the dice. Okay, and so forth. We can fill them in to show all the possibilities. That's with getting head on the coin. But you could even have tail on the coin, couldn't you? So we've got a whole row here for that, because you could have tail on the coin, 1 on the dice, tail on the coin, 2 on the dice, and so forth. Now, probability of getting a head and an even number. So head and an even number, okay, head and an even number would go along here. An even number there, 2, 4, and 6, yeah? So that's getting a head, okay? And you've got the even numbers there, 2, 4, and 6. So you can see now there's 3 possibilities out of a total. Well, when you count that, there's 12 in total. So 3 over 12, okay, now is that equal to a half? Well, when you simplify this, you can see 3 goes into top and bottom. So 3 goes into top and bottom. Well, we'll share that by 3. We'll share that by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and you get a quarter. So she's wrong, isn't she? Because it's not a half, it's a quarter.